Hello and welcome to Mrs. Rynerson's second grade classroom. I have been teaching for 17 years. 16 of those years have been in Spearville. I have always taught second grade and I graduated from Fort Hays State University. A little bit about my family. I'm married to Casey. He is an industrial arts teacher at the high school. We have 3 children. Parker is an 8th grader, Carter is a 5th grader, and Brinley is a 1st grader. Some important items that I want you to be aware of for this year. The first one being Shobi is an app that will be available on your student's iPad that we will be using in class, and also it will be used as a resource at home. They will be able to do their assignments on the Shobi app, or they will have the option to do on paper pencil and then take a picture and upload it onto the Shobi app. The assignment books are new this year for second graders. The kids will be writing down their assignments from the board and bringing that piece of paper home every night. I will circle any assignments that were not completed throughout the day, and those will be homework. I will also let you know by a happy face, sad face, or a squiggly face what kind of day your student had. It's a great way to communicate between home and school. That assignment page does not have to be brought back the next day. There is a place where you can put your initials, but we are trying to go as paperless as possible. So I'm not asking that you send the assignment book page back unless you want to leave a note or have a question, and then in that case, that is perfectly fine to bring it back to school. Reading logs will still be a thing this year. I will send home a reading log each Monday and ask that it be turned in the following Monday. Now you can send the paper copy back to school, or you can take a picture and submit it through the Shobi app or my email, whichever you would prefer. I ask that within the Monday to Monday that 90 minutes are read for each week. The last item that I wanted to go over was class parties. It has been decided because of COVID that the classroom parties will be done by the classroom teacher instead of having room moms. So in second grade, I'm asking that each child bring $8 for the whole year. This will help me be able to buy supplies, snacks, drinks, activities for each of the parties. A few new expectations. Temperatures will be given or will be taken each morning when you arrive at the building. I have a picture of the temperature machine. You can see me in the background. Masks will be worn throughout the day. So that will be something new. We will be, sorry, I went too fast. We'll be sanitizing within every hour, and then we'll also be trying our best to keep 6 feet of social distancing. Here's a picture of our classroom. You notice that there are drink containers on the sides of the desk. Those are for your water bottles. Please make sure to bring a water bottle to school that you will be taking from school to home, wash it at home, bring it back the next day, and we will be putting our water bottles in those milk reusable milk containers so that it doesn't get our stuff on our desk wet. Communication is probably the most important thing, one of the most important things between parents and teachers. So there are a few different ways that we can communicate. I am available via email. Also, I have listed my cell phone, and then I'm also available to meet before or after school. So you will be receiving, your kids will be bringing home their take-home folder with some papers inside, and also my second grade handbook. It's just a little brochure that goes a little more in depth over a few extra things that I did not go over on my PowerPoint. So feel free to look through that and contact me with any questions that you have. There are 2 papers that I will be sending home that I would appreciate if you would fill out, and then either you can send them back if you want, or if you want to just take a picture of them and email or text them to me, that would be great also, and then I can print them back off here at school. So again, I look forward to meeting your students and working with them throughout the year. Please feel free to contact me with any questions or concerns that you have. Thanks, and have a great day.